Hello from today I am going to show you how you can make make your phone fully like MIUI 8. So I hope this video help you. So first of all, go in Play Store, then search here e launcher, then install it. After install this, accept, then hit install it. It will take some time to install. Then open it. Then you see here. Then go themes manager. And you see here some themes. iOS, naturalistic, beauty, light, my style. So download this theme. It will take some time to download. Set theme. Okay. It will convert into MIUI. Only make MIUI. It's changed phone. It changed devices. Change the notification panel. So we got a new notification panel from here.